Model, 2016 Nissan NV400 L23500 2.3dCi 125PS SHA BEAVERTAIL recovery truck MOTED ready to go. Body, white, recovery. Mileage, 199,531. MOT, the 4th of July 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 9TR. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning light on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows,